All right, guys, so I just got this Babysmooth smart bottle warmer and mixer. So let me show y'all what's inside. So this is what it comes with, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and say I love this a lot. One, it has these suction cups, so when you put it on a surface, it stays on the surface. It doesn't move around a lot. Another thing I like about it is that it's waterless. So that helps prevent like bacterial growth and stuff like that in the milk. So which is really good. So it comes in. It's really simple to use. You put your bottle inside here, and it has a defrost setting, a warm setting, a shake setting, and a bottle setting. And so the defrost is basically when the defrost is when, obviously, if you have like something frozen and you want to cool, you want to unfreeze it. So it's basically like throwing it out. And then you got your obviously warm feature, and something that I haven't seen before is this shake feature. And what it does is, if you have like formula milk or things that you mix, put in your baby's milk, then it'll shake it up and mix it for you. Ain't that cool? That's cool. That's cool. And then you have your bottle, so you can select the type of bottle that you have. It's suggested not to use a metal bottle with the warmer. So glass, plastic, or silicone works with this very well. So you can select the type of bottle that you have. It also has a nightlight feature. So if it's late at night and you warm the bottle up, you can turn on this nightlight feature so you don't wake the baby up. And so you can control the temperature. It goes up or it goes down to whatever temperature that you want. And obviously there's a power button. Now you can use this warm and shake at the same time. So if you need to shake up your food and mix it up and warm it, you can do it at the same time. Guys, I love this. I highly recommend. It comes, like, the charger is already connected. So you just connect this to the wall, and then once you're done, obviously you want to unplug it. It's really easy to use. It's simple. I give this a 10 out of 10. It's a 10 out of 10, y'all. So if you are in need of a bottle warmer and a bottle mixer, then I would highly recommend this product, y'all. All right, peace.